Now, I usually talk about the English Channel when we get towards the English Channel, but directly ahead of us, that's what that is. It's still one of the busiest waterways in the world, and just to give you an idea, if you do look out there in the distance, you can actually see one of those huge cargo ships, which probably got a couple of thousand cars on its way through the channel. The more busiest side, though, is over on the French side, which you find that we carry on steaming for 8 hours. We head wide, continue on for 8 weeks, for a year. Anyway, more nearer to home on our right, you can see the castle here. This is Dartmouth Castle. Dartmouth Castle is the third castle that's been built on this site. And this castle was built back in the reign of Henry VIII, the Grand Pope of £93. And it was built for the first use of cannon against shipping. Now the cannons that they used were called murder pieces. Now most people think that this was supposed to be covered with the devastation they caused when they were fired. Well, that's true, but not if you go behind the bad smelting processes at the time. And the cannons were a bit dodgy, so if you did wipe one off, you could probably kill yourself. There are two ways that you can actually get out to the castle. You can do it like that. Roughly takes about 20 minutes, or you can do it by boat. You can see one of the boats passed us earlier. There's one of those little blue ones, and they land on those steps over to our right. So it's quite a nice little boat trip. Now, many of the defences of the town, one of them came from a very large chain. Used to span Dartmouth Castle. You can see where it used to stick out the castle. You can see halfway up the castle wall itself. There's about 7 small little holes, and that's where the chain used to feed out from. Now if you look over to Kingsway side, you can see a flat piece of rock pretty much directly in front of the boat with other corresponding square holes. Now, I was given the task of the Mayor of Dartmouth at the time, a chap called John Hawley, to supply the chain. Now, he was given £30 to do this task, and considering that this was the late 1300s, early 1400s, that was a small fortune. Now, bearing in mind, Hawley was a privateer or privatised pirate, and so what he does is he pockets the £30, goes down to Boy, borrows their chain again to bring it back. The other castle you can see up to our right there, that's Kingsway Castle. Never really fired a cannon in anger. Was once owned by the former Tory MP for Full Bay, Sir Frederick Bennett. Now owned by the Landmark Trust. It's probably Asian property. Just bearing in mind, I wouldn't recommend going there during the winter months. Those 2 square windows at the top, that makes up the bedroom. There are another further 3 holes facing out to sea. I don't know what they were watching at the time, the EastEnders or Coronation Street, but it must have been a rather interesting episode. It's halfway through the programme that Marjorie Wade decided to enter into the bedroom to find out what was going on as well. Now again on our right, just to prove, you may notice the tide is quite